Hi guys, welcome to AKV and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, an investor is considering two instruments. Opportunities with the following risk and return characteristics. Project P and Q. Expected return would be 15, 22. Risk would be 3 and 7. The investor plans to invest 80% of its available fund in share P and 20% in Q. The directors believe that the correlation coefficient between the return of the share is +1 and 0. You are required number 1, calculate the return from proposed portfolio of share P and Q. Calculate the risk of the portfolio. Suppose the correlation coefficient between P and Q is -1. What should be the company invest its fund in order to obtain zero risk portfolio? So going ahead with the solution, I have made a table containing the projects P, Q, then their return and risk. The proportion would be 18 and 20%, so the return should be multiplied with the risk. The return should be multiplied with weight or proportion. It would be 15 into 80%, it will give you 12, and 22 into 20% will give you 4.4. Therefore, when we add 12 and 4.4, we will get the total return as 16.4. Now the standard deviation. So the standard deviation would be 3 for x, and for y it would be 7, and correlation coefficient of x and y would be 1, and the weight would be 0.8 and 0.2. Therefore, the calculation or the computation of standard deviation would be standard deviation of AB is equal to root of A square into weight of A square plus the whole root of B square into weight of B square in plus 2 into weight of A into weight of B into standard deviation of A into standard deviation of B into PAB, which means square root of 8 into 8 and 3 into 3 plus 2 in 0.2 into 0.2 into 7%, 7.07 into 0.07 plus 2 into 0.08 into 0.03 into 0.2 into 0.07 into 0.1, which comes around the standard deviation would be 3.8%. So the computation of investment in security P and Q. So the risk would be 0. Therefore, the formula would be root of y square minus covariance of x and y divided by standard deviation of x square plus standard deviation of y square minus 2 into covariance of xy is equal to weight of Q is equal to 1 minus weight of P. Covariance is equal to -1 into 3 into 7, which gives you 21, and when we substitute these figures into formula, it would be 7 into 7 minus 21 divided by 3 into 3 plus 7 into 7 minus 21 into 2, which the final figure would, the proportion would be 0.7, and 0.7 minus 1 will give you 0.3. But guys, I hope you are clear with this example. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe. Thank you.